Android Auto's new Material You update ruins music experience. Users outraged. Android Auto's latest redesign has fans scratching their heads. Google's bold move to unify its interface with Material You is sparking heated debates among music lovers. While the update aims to bring harmony between your phone's wallpaper and car display, some users are left wondering, was this change worth the trade-offs? Let's break it down. Google recently rolled out a fresh look for Android Auto, leveraging Material You's adaptive color scheme. This means your car's interface now mirrors the hues of your Android phone's wallpaper, creating a cohesive visual experience. But here's where it gets controversial. The music player, once a vibrant canvas for album art, now sports a muted palette dominated by wallpaper colors. Album art has also shrunk in size and been repositioned next to the seek bar, leaving large chunks of empty space that feel oddly out of balance. Reddit user Ideal 15101 voiced frustrations, pointing out that the new design sacrifices the dynamic, immersive backgrounds many users cherished. The updated layout, while logically placing the seek bar to prevent accidental taps, creates a cramped, disjointed feel. For users with portrait-oriented car screens, like FLCINUSA noted, the album art becomes almost comically tiny, more of an afterthought than a centerpiece. Is this a step forward or a misstep? Critics argue that shrinking album art clashes with the abundance of blank space, undermining the visual appeal that made music players feel personal. Supporters, however, might appreciate the streamlined consistency and reduced visual clutter. But ask yourself, does a uniform color scheme truly enhance the driving experience, or does it strip away the emotional connection users felt with album art? Have you spotted this update yet? Does the new design win you over? Or cast your vote below and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you like Android Auto's refreshed interface? 701 votes. Follow. Thank you for being part of our community. Read our comment policy before posting. Android Auto now fully supports Material You colors. Matches your phone's wallpaper. Android Auto has just received an exciting update that truly brings the vibrant Material You design language to life, matching the color accents directly with your phone's wallpaper, like never before. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this deeper level of customization just a neat visual trick, or does it actually enhance the driving experience? Let's dive in. Google initially dipped its toes into Material You color theming in Android Auto version 13.4, rolling out limited support where only a few select colors would reflect your phone's wallpaper. It was a nice step forward, but many users felt it only scratched the surface, missing the rich dynamic palettes they'd come to enjoy on their devices. Fast forward to now, and the newest beta build, Android Auto 14.9, takes color adaptation a significant leap further. The entire interface, including key elements like the settings menu and notifications, now fully embraces the complete Material You color palette derived from your wallpaper. This means button highlights, notification hues, and even the background tint subtly shift to mirror your phone's chosen aesthetic, creating a much more cohesive look. And this update isn't just about static colors anymore. One important improvement that often goes unnoticed is that Android Auto dynamically updates these colors in real time whenever you change your wallpaper. Although it may not always respond instantly to manual theme tweaks on Pixel phones, it reliably adapts to new wallpaper images, reflecting the new palette without any need for app restarts or system resets. For users curious whether this enhancement is already widespread beyond the beta, reports from various Android Auto communities suggest some have started seeing it pop up over the last day. Interestingly, it doesn't activate immediately for everyone, hinting that Google might be enabling this feature through remote, server-side controls rather than just pushing an app update. If you prefer to keep your interface neutral, remember that disabling the Match Phone Wallpaper option in Android Auto settings will also turn off these colorful accents. While some might argue that this change is purely superficial, focusing more on aesthetics than functionality, Others could contend it adds an extra layer of personalization that makes using Android Auto feel less like a separate experience and more like a natural extension of your phone. What do you think? Does this kind of UI personalization matter to you while driving? Or would you prefer Android Auto keep things simple and distraction-free? Regardless of personal preferences, this update clearly enhances visual harmony between your phone and your car's infotainment system. It's a subtle but meaningful leap forward in Google's ongoing effort to make in-car tech more intuitive and visually appealing. Have you spotted these Material You color changes in your Android Auto setup yet? Share your thoughts below. We're eager to hear if you find this update useful or just a gimmick. For those interested in more Android Auto news, Samsung is reportedly developing its own alternative, powered by DeX, which could shake up the current ecosystem. Android Auto version 14.8 is testing new shortcuts that might nearly phase out Google Assistant integration in Maps. The Spotify app within Android Auto has received a fresh redesign, including new Jam feature support. Stay tuned, and don't hesitate to join the conversation. How do you feel about these increasingly personalized driving interfaces? Does enabling full Material You theming make your Android Auto experience better? Or do you worry it could be distracting? Your opinions might just spark a lively debate.